Hello again. Now you have finished the quiz, we are going to learn how to read time and the language we use with time. So using our knowledge from the last video, we know that because the small hand is at the 12 and the big hand is at the 3, it's 12:15. Now this time can also be said to be 12:15. I will show you how. If we divide this clock into 4, we now have quarters. So between the 12 and the 3 is 1 quarter. Between the 3 and the 6 is another quarter. Between the 6 and the 9 is a quarter. And between the 9 and the 12 is another quarter. So because the time says 12:15, the minute arm is 1 quarter past the hour. So because 12 o'clock, both hands are at the 12, it's 12 o'clock. So once that minute hand ticks its way around to 12:15, it's moved 1 quarter of the way past the 12 o'clock. If the time was 8:15, it is also said to be 8:15. And again, because the minute hand is 1 quarter of the way around the clock. Now, if we have the time as 8:45, we know that there is only 1 quarter of the clock to go until the next hour. So we can now say that it is 1/4 to the next hour, which on this clock is 9. So if it is now 2:45, it's now 1/4 to 3 o'clock, because the next hour after 2 is 3 o'clock. So because we have divided this clock up, we can see that a half of this clock is pointing to 30 minutes. So when an hour is 30 minutes through the clock, we can say that it is half past an hour. So when this big hand points to the 6, it is a half past whatever the little hand's pointing to. So if it's 2:30, it's 2:30. If it's 4:30, it's a whole half past that 4th hour. So now I'd like you all to follow the activities using this information to complete them.